Out on a big adventure and you just don't have Wi-Fi? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the GlocalMe USB Mobile 4G Hotspot. Mobile Wi-Fi. Very nice. So GlocalMe has made this really cool USB device that also has a 4G hotspot built into it. Look at it. It's awesome. The internet right there. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to look at the GlocalMe UniCord USB-C Wi-Fi hotspot. This thing is phenomenal. Very, very cool product. The packaging, fantastic. Look at this. This looks like something you would see in pretty much any retail store. Let's say Walmart, Target. You just go in and pull it right off the shelf. Fantastic packaging here. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Let's open it up. So I do think this is really cool for the packaging, that's opening it up from the side like this. Very, very nice. We have our user manual here. It's gonna have all the information you need on the product itself. Looks like we have a couple different languages. App technology there for setting everything up, and just some info on other devices that it can go on. Looks like we have a USB-C to 3.0 converter here. Very, very cool that this is included, as this is sometimes a requirement for a lot of different people. So very nice that this is here. And then finally, the device itself. So this is our hotspot, our Wi-Fi transmitter right here. As you see, it is USB-C to USB-C, but it does come with that converter there. But what's really cool about this device is you can plug it into your laptop, or tablet, or smartphone, and then plug the other end into like your charger or whatever. So this will do a 65 watt charging on it. Very powerful. But the really cool thing about this is this little device right here gives you Wi-Fi. So not only can you charge your phone, you can also hotspot it. Very, very cool. But let's go ahead and test it out and set it up. This is the GlocalMe UniCord USB-C cable with 4G Wi-Fi mobile hotspot. Innovative 3-in-1 design. Experience the innovative charging cable that not only powers your devices, but also provides internet in 200 plus countries and regions. It's a 65 watt charging cable, a Type-C interface, and a global SIM-free roaming Wi-Fi mobile hotspot all in one. Global 4G Wi-Fi mobile hotspot. It's simple. Power it up and instantly connect to a mobile hotspot in 200 plus countries and regions. No contract or SIM card is required, and you can connect up to 2 devices simultaneously. The device smartly selects the local network with the strongest signal, and it comes with 1.1 gigabytes of global data. Plus, it's a provision of an emergency network. So one of the cable can be plugged into a battery-operated device, such as a cell phone, camera, or even a battery bank, to provide an emergency network, which can be used in case of an emergency abroad, so while you're traveling. 65 watt super fast charging. Say goodbye to battery anxiety with their high power charging cable that supports super fast charging. It effortlessly powers a variety of smart devices and IoT devices like mobile phones, laptops, and tablets, meeting your constant need for power and global internet access. Travel-friendly convenience. Make the UniCord charging cable your essential travel companion. More than just a power solution, because it provides internet access for your devices, so streamlining your setup for a lightweight and flexible travel experience. Whether you're working or exploring a new city, it's got you covered. Multi-device compatibility. The UniCord charging cable is designed for the future, featuring a USB-C to USB-C interface, the inclusive of a micro USB, and is compatible with an extensive range of USB-C devices. So whether you're charging your phone, tablet, or laptop, it ensures seamless power solution across all your devices. GlocalMe, this thing is awesome. It's powerful, it keeps you charged, and it has a mobile hotspot built into it. Amazing. Wi-Fi and charging. Great job. GlocalMe, this thing is awesome. We want to give a huge shout out to GlocalMe for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below in the description. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.